This video tutorial I will explain parallel prefix method of arrays class which accept integer array, from index, to index and binary operator. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the integer array. Then I have defined binary operator. Then I am calling parallel prefix method of arrays class and passing integer array, from indexes 0 which is this position, to indexes 3 which is this position, from index is inclusive and to index is exclusive, and also I am passing binary operator object. What this method will do is it will update the integer array content in this range based on binary operator associative function. Here you can see the updated integer array content. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.